In this video, I am going to show you how to change your email address on Indeed. Step 1. Go to the Indeed website and log into your account with your current credentials. 2. Once logged in, locate and click Account tab, and then click on Profile. Look for a link or option that says Change Email Address. This option is specifically designed for updating your registered email. Click on the Change Email link and you will be prompted to enter your new email address. Make sure it's an address you have access to and check for any typos before proceeding. After updating your email, Indeed will send a confirmation message to the new email address you provided. It may take a few minutes to arrive. Open the confirmation email and click on the confirmation link contains your typically new email address changing verification. This step is essential to verify the new email address and finalize the changes. Once you click the confirmation link, the email change will be complete and Indeed will display a confirmation message, either on the website or within the email, to let you know that the update was successful. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.